What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Guys, I have a treat for you today. We hit it really hard. The 618 absolutely destroyed the markets today. We've been talking about the 618 for weeks and weeks, and it's so good to see that we had a perfect day trading the 618. So I'm going to be breaking it all down for you step by step, giving you the education. I know there's a lot of new followers and subscribers, so I'm going to start from the very beginning to make sure you understand each and every trade. All right. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Shay, Satayan, and Terry, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thanks for being here. SDK, Todd, Antonio, Briggs, Greg, Cadell, Grumpy, Dex, Alicia, Calmeen, One Story a Day, Ramon, Becky, Trading Wars Army, Gus, Andy, what's going on? All right, good to see you guys. All right. Honestly, today is a type of day that when you hit a day like this, guys, it will pay for your whole month of trading. And that's what it comes down to in trading. Some days you're going to make so much money. Some days you're going to hit it so hard that it's going to give you those gains that's going to carry you through a month or 2 months or 3 months. And that's why it's so important to be disciplined and to always follow your strategy. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go through all the trades we took today step by step. So, okay, so the first thing we need to do is draw the previous day's high and low. So here is the previous day's low. Here is the previous day's high, which is Friday. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let the first bar play. So you could see that we're opening inside of the range. We're above the previous day's low. We haven't broken it yet. So right away, I am not looking for an orb. I'm just going to wait for my fibs and for my triggers. Okay, so the first 5-minute bar comes in right here, and then our second bar here, and then our third bar. So generally, what I like to do when trading the fibs is wait for 3 bars. Okay, so I like to see 3 bars, especially in the morning, to see the direction. So what is this direction here, guys? Is this an up or down movement in the market? What do you think? Is this, so there was our high at the first 15 minutes, and here's our low. So you can also go and look at the 15-minute candle. Right? So this is a red candle. So is this an up or down move? Hit me with a 1 if this is up. Hit me with a 2 if this is down. What do you guys think? So we can clearly see here, guys, that we started off with a high right here at 364.21, and then we went to a low of 362.27. Okay. So now let's start talking about how to enter these trades with the 618. So normally as a trader, what you've learned is to short breakups, right? So you see the market coming down. You're like, okay, the market's going to crash. The market's going to crash. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to short, or I'm going to miss the move. But what we do instead, guys, is we always wait for a deal. We're always looking for a discount. The discount is what's going to make sure that we make the most money. So if I take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, the first trade of the day, guys, was right here. So we tagged that 618 to the penny right off the gate. So we came in, we tagged that 618, guys, and then we rolled over very clean. So you could see we had two attempts here. Okay, so this was a really nice trade because not only did we touch a 618 twice, but we also put in this confirmation candle. So you can see here, guys, look at this beautiful confirmation candle, this inverted hammer. And we've seen this time and time again. When you have that inverted hammer, that gravestone doji, that long wick candle on the fib level, this is basically showing you, what is it showing you? It's showing you the algorithm. It's showing you the rejection. Okay, so for anyone that has the book, this is the candlestick confirmation, page 48. All right, okay, so that was the first that was actually the second fib of the day. I'm gonna save the first fib till the end because it's a little bit advanced, but let's go through the easy ones first. Okay, so we go ahead here, guys. We have that first push down, pull back trade, and then we continue lower. So what do we do now? Okay, so what do we do now? Well, what will most traders do again? Okay, they see, so off of this fib right here, high to low, you get your push down. What's the next thing you do? Well, again, a lot of new traders, they're going to say, hey, you know what? The previous day's low is breaking here. I'm going to short. I'm going to short. They're going to short right there. And look what happens to them right after that. Look what happens. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So you don't want to be chasing the move. You always want to get the pullback. So let me just hit the replay again back here where we were. Okay. So if you chase over here, this is where you lose the game. If you buy puts over here, this is where the puts are going to be expensive. So what do? We do the same thing now. So that was the morning leg. So let me write that down. So this first part here was called a morning leg. Okay. It was very quick, 15 minutes. And then the second part is the afternoon leg. So we do the same thing. We take it from high to low because the move is downwards. There you go. High to low right there. We wait for that 618 one more time. Touch it right there, guys. Okay. And let's go. I want to go back because I want to get a feeling of your emotions. Okay. So let's go back here. So I just want to ask you right here. All right. Okay. So let's describe this. So here's our afternoon leg. So we came in, we tagged for 618, right? So the 363 put, so people ask me, so Rich, how do you determine which strike you want to use? So you could see the 618's at 362.95. The closest strike is 363. You could have also gone for 362 or 362.50. All of those are fine, okay? So we chose to do the 363 puts basically in the money today. So when we touched the 618 right here, guys, when we got filled on this trade, the 363 puts were $1.67. Okay, so why are the puts cheap here? Why are the puts cheap on this pullback? Let's discuss this, okay? If we were to buy the puts down here, we wouldn't get them for $1.67. Instead, we're waiting for the market to pull back 61.8%. That's what this is saying. So we're getting a 61.8% discount on this move, okay? So now we got the puts for $1.67. And let's be honest right here. When this candle comes and it touches the 618, how many of you are scared to take this trade? Honestly, if you look at this candle, it's a big bullish candle. Yes, there's a little wick here, but you could see that, we're reversing. People are getting scared. Hit me with a 1 if you'd be scared. Hit me with a 2 if no. All right. And this is where you just have to understand the fib. The Fibonacci is algorithm based. The algorithm doesn't care about the candlesticks. The algorithm is taking levels based on discounts because the robots are programmed for discounts. If you had a multi-million billion dollar algorithm that trades billions of dollars for you, you will program it for cheap discounts. Why? Because of this. Because when you get the 363 puts right here, they go to 499, you make 200%. You make 198% return. You see what I'm saying, guys? So the risk to reward is in your favor when you get that deal. Okay? So we came in right here, guys. We tagged the 618, bam, rolled right over into a new low. And it was absolutely beautiful. Okay. So let's just go ahead here. Let me just show you the live Fibonacci trades, just so you guys know that we do this in real time. So this was the morning leg that we drew up. 618 filled short, massive wick. Wow, boom, sell off. So that was the first one. And then the second one we drew up here was the afternoon leg right here, which I'm showing you. So that was that. Okay, so if you're having any trouble drawing the fibs, if you want to learn how to do this in real time, not in hindsight, come join the Discord with us. Grab a copy of the fib book, 69 pages, 50 charts, everything you need to know. 30 days access, come trade with us, all right? So now let's go back, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to blow your mind here, and I'm going to go on to the micro deep level, okay? I'm going to go on to the deep level here, and this is going to be a little bit advanced, but hit me with a 10 if you're excited for this, okay? Because I want to show you something that you might not know. And it's basically that these Fibonacci's are happening essentially in every time frame. It's happening in every way. It's nature, really, right? The Fibonacci, if you look up the Fibonacci sequence, look up the Fibonacci's, guys. It's something that happens in nature. So what I want to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the replay again. And we're going to start from the beginning right here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go down to a 15-second chart, okay? So let's do this together on the 15-second chart. All right. So first 15-second candle. Again, let's follow the same approach. So we wait for a move. Okay. So there's our move. We could see we have a high and a low. We're moving down. So let's go ahead and draw our fib. High to low right here. Looking for the 618. Okay. Look at this, guys. Okay. So this is literally 45 seconds in. Okay. Reject. You see that, guys? You see that? This is within 1 minute. The same pattern that we're trading on the 5-minute, the same pattern that we're trading on the 15-minute. It's happening fractal in nature. Okay, it's absolutely beautiful. All right, so now let's continue. Okay, so now here's our high. So here's our full high, and let's keep it going now. Here's our full high, and then let's see if we can get another one here. So we go ahead, just move our anchor lower right there. We come back. Okay, look at that 618 right there. Watch again. Do you guys see that? Hit me with a 10 if you can see that. And I want to just show you the power, what's going on inside the candle. What is really going on second by second what is happening. The same, look at this. The same thing we trade, guys. 618 inside bar on the 15-second chart. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. And this is the only way to trade where you really get it, what's happening here in the market. Okay. All right. Now, what about this? Let's go to the hourly chart. Let's go to the hourly chart. Okay. Let's go. Look at this big long wick. There was an algo selling right over there. Let's take this, bring it down. Is this a coincidence, guys? Right on the 618 again. Is that a coincidence? What do you guys think? Hit me with the 6 if you think it's a coincidence. Hit me with the 7 if you think it's algos. What do you think? What do you guys think? All right. So obviously, right, the 15-second chart, you're probably not going to be able to catch that. But let me show you what you're capable of getting, okay, with some time, with some practice. Obviously, guys, you're just not going to wake up and be the best trader in the world, all right? But let me show you. Let's recap again all of the fibs, okay? Okay. So the first candle right here, first 5-minute chart right here, okay? So the first bar right here, take our Fibonacci from our high to our low. So this was actually the first trade that we called out in the Discord today. I'll go ahead here to the Fibonacci right here. So this was the first one. So you can see this is the first 5-minute bar. And so the first fib was actually right there. You see that, guys? So that was number one. And I didn't want to show you guys this one first because some of you will not be able to catch this because you're just too new to trading. You haven't been able to actually put in the orders quick enough. But when you get there, guys, when you're able to get there, these are the type of plays you can get. Okay. So that was the first one. And then here's our third candle. So now we bring it down. There's our second one right there. Okay. So there's 2. And then this was our fourth one right here. All right. And honestly speaking, third one right there. Honestly speaking, guys, after that, we were done. And that's the thing that I get asked a lot is, Rich, like, what do we do now? We got this one. What do we do? You do nothing. Okay. Because it's not always going to work. When you catch a good algo, you ride the algo. All right. You ride it. So we could see, we look on all time frames today. We look on the 15-second. We look on the 5. We look on the hourly. We could see the algo is with us on these trades. So we ride it. Okay. We don't force anything. We take the 618s. We keep taking them. Sometimes the trend is going to change. Okay. But that's fine because guess what? When we hit these plays, we make 300%. This play from here. So that play from there to this low was 300%. What do you think it was from here? What do you think it was from here? What do you think it was from there, guys? What do you think the puts were from here? 500% up here. So let's say we lose 50% when we're wrong, but we make 500% when we're right. We're making 10 times our money. So if we're making 10 times our money, guys, we only need to win less, probably what? 15%, 10% of trades, 11% of trades. That's it. All right. That's what it comes down to. What I'm trying to teach you here is a system that has built-in risk management. It makes sure you get a deal. I'm sick and tired of people chasing breakouts and blowing up their accounts. Okay. And it's not your fault because that's what you've been trained. Okay. Wedges and hedges and flows and mows. That's not your fault. But I'm showing you the way, guys, to always make sure you get a good deal. All right. So there we go, my friends. Yeah, so we call these plays out live in Discord. So you can see right here, very clear direction, taking a shot with the golden zone short, 618 filled short. Okay. So we call them out step by step, and we have the afternoon legs as well. All right. If you're struggling and you need help drawing them, honestly, guys, I'll be honest with you. If you grab the book right here, I have so much information in here. Look, morning leg, afternoon opposing, sequencing, candlestick, limit, plus you get 30 days in the Discord with us. By the end of the 30 days, you should be able to draw them by yourself. Okay. Unless you're completely brand new, you might take a little bit more time. All right, guys. So there we go. No losers today. I just want to say this was a great way to start off Monday. We made a lot of money today, and you guys know at least maybe one or 2 days of the week, it's not going to be that easy. We're going to probably have losers, but when you catch something like this, guys, and you can make 500% on puts, or you can catch 50 points, 100 points. These are the days that you need to make sure that you capture. You need to have the confidence to trust your system and continue to trade. And I always have confidence with the fibs, because even if they don't work, let's say today or tomorrow, I know that I have good risk to reward. And the good risk to reward is what makes a system profitable in the long run. All right, guys. So hit me with a 7 if that all makes sense. Hit me with a 7 if that all makes sense. I want to thank you guys for giving me your time today. I appreciate it. If we look at futures right now, we are basically just chopping around. We opened here and we made this Nirvana pattern, from our book. We have this blue indicator. This one is doing well so far overnight, but pretty much in the same spot. So nothing really going on too crazy. Okay, so I did some scans on Trendspider and I'm going to post some pics. One thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is Nike. Very powerful blue raindrop. It reminds me of this one back here, August 9th. You could see that Nike blue raindrops lead to a lot of volatility in general. About 70% of the time after a blue raindrop, we have a lot of volatility. Okay, so I'm going to be looking to play Nike tomorrow. I have a bunch of other picks that I'm looking for. And I'm going to post them on the Twitter for free. Make sure you go ahead and follow the Twitter. Let's see if there's any holy grails right now. No holy grails. No, I don't trade this. Okay. All right, guys. So if you want to get my setup with Trendspider for my scanners, use code TWZ30 at checkout, or email Trendspider. Let them know you want to join our Trading Wars affiliate. We'll hook you up with all of the indicators and setups that we have here. All right. Otherwise than that, I want to thank you very much for giving me your attention. And, I just want to let you guys know with the fibs, right? If you do it correctly, you could lose 2 fibs. And then if you win the third one, you can make money. And that's why I want to teach you the fib, because you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be able to get 1 or 2 good plays. And that's how you make money. And that's why I want to encourage you guys, because that's realistic for new traders. You're not going to be perfect. All right, guys. Like I said, check me out at tradingwars.com. That's the place to be. You can sign up right here, like I said, or you can sign up on the main page if you just want to go ahead and join the room. Again, we'll be looking to continue our winning streak tomorrow. So thank you for your time. I think I said everything that I needed to. Yes, I think I did. All right. So let's do, you guys want to do a giveaway? Hit me with a 6 if you guys want to do a giveaway. All right. Let's do a giveaway. All right. So a quick giveaway to wrap up here. Okay. So the video we did yesterday, Trading Spy for a Living, very good video. I suggest if you're new, watch this video I did yesterday. It goes through every single trade we took last week. Okay. So go ahead in there and just leave a comment if you haven't left one yet. And we'll go ahead and I'll pick a winner from here. So go ahead. I'll give you guys like a minute or so. Guys, if you have questions, please understand that when I'm streaming, I'm not able to see every single comment. Okay. But, you feel free to email me or something, or leave a comment and I'll get back to you. All right. So let's go ahead here. I'm going to hit the refresh. We have only 7. Did that go down? Hold on a second. Something looks messed up here. There we go. 33. So number 1 to 33. So here we go. I have the random number generator here. 1 to 33. Generate. Number 28 is the winner. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom here. So 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. Right here. This brother right here. Vin. Okay. Vin. Great content. Great contained. Thank you. So obviously my brother has a typo here. No worries. So Vin, you are the winner. I don't know if you're in the chat right now, but just DM me or shoot me an email and we'll get you your book in 1 month for free. Come trade with us live tomorrow, brother. All right. So thank you very much, guys. Let's keep it going here. And we'll continue to keep it rolling. So let's do some questions, because I see some people are